Gentlemen, meet my own out, the one with the unusual gift that I discovered quite by the accident. So out, how much is 9 times 7?
63.
Is this the gift that you brought us here to demonstrate? An illusionist?
More than that, sir. Alf has memorized a few operations, and with them, he also computes on paper.
A paper computer?
No, sir. Simply just a sheet of paper. General and Congressman, you can simply suggest him a number.
70?
23?
Very well. Alf, multiply those numbers and show them your manner of doing it.
Yes, programmer.
I could make a 70 myself, even without practice.
No, gentlemen. If you will let Alf continue. Alf?
The answer is 331.
By Godfrey, so it is. How did he guess?
He simply computed the result on a piece of paper.
Humbug! A computer is one thing, and marks on a paper are another.
I write down 17 and then underneath it I write 23. Next, 7 times 3.
Now, out. The problem is 17 times 23.
Yes, I know, but I start saying 7 times 3 because that is the way it works. So 7 times 3 is 21.
And how do you know that?
I just remember it. That's how it is in a computer. So I've checked it many times.
Well, go on.
I don't believe it. It's too complicated.
Oh no, sir. It only seems complicated because you're not used to it. Actually, the rules are quite simple and will work for any numbers.
Any numbers? Come then, multiply 5,738 with 7,239.
It will take some time, sir.
Take the time.
Alf, go ahead.
Done, sir. The answer is 41,537,000.
Great galaxy! It's spelled right!
Computing without a computer is a contradiction in term.
Computer is a system for handling data. A machine or human brain can do it.
Does this always work?
Every time, Mr. President, it is foolproof.
Is it hard to learn?
Took me a week. I think you would do better.
It's interesting part of the game, but what the use of it?
What is the use of a newborn baby, Mr. President? This point the way toward liberation from the machine. The Denabian War is a war of computer against computer. We can leapfrog it, combine computation mechanic with human thought, creating billions of intelligent minds.
What would you have me do?
Establish a secret project on human computation. Project number. I can vouch for my community, but I need the administration behind me.
How far can human computation go?
There is no limit. According to programmer Schumann, there is nothing a computer can do that the human mind cannot.
I see your point. Sit down, Congressman. I need time to think. Show me that multiplication trick again.
Louisa, the time has come to move beyond traditional computers. We need project number and your enthusiastic support.
I'm not sold on the idea of losing our grip on computers. The human mind is unpredictable.
The mind, whether human or machine, manipulates facts. So there are tools interchangeable.
Your mind duplication demonstration is intriguing, but turning theory into practice is a leap.
But the reason to believe it's possible, computers didn't always exist. The cavemen, even without computers, they must have computed it in some way.
Lost arts. I'm not convinced. Let's stick to your graphitics. What progress have you made beyond multiplication?
We've delved into divisions, handling integral and decimal quotients, so any number of decimal places.
Without a computer?
Set me a problem.
Divide 27 by 13 to 6 places.
So the answer is 2.079623.
Well, that's impressive. What more?
It's a top secret. A breakthrough in square root. A mere technician claims success. A mathematician like you could lead the way.
Square roots, cube roots. I'm in.
Now square roots are fine. I can do them myself, and I don't understand the methods. But they are fine. Still, the project will not be sidetracked into what some of you call the fundamentals. You can play with the graphitics any way you want after the war is over, but right now, we have a very specific and a very practical problem to solve. And I see something even beyond this. It may be fantastic now, a mere dream. But in the future, I see the man missile. I fails to remember one thing. A man is more dispensable than a computer.
When I began to study of what is now called gravitics, it was no more than a hobby. But now, I see it is to be used only for death and destruction.
Nine times 7 is always 63, and I don't need computer to tell me so. The computer is in my own head. you.